How much time are you? Which flag are you going to make first?
India.
Can you do it in 50 seconds?
I can do it in 20.
Oh, if you are able to do it in 20, I will give you an ice cream.
Okay.
And if you are not able to do,
I won't be able to use internet for 2 days.
No, please no.
okay, cool. Let's go then.
Okay. 3, 2, 1, and go.
Good luck. Five seconds, 7 seconds are already gone. No, that's not possible. That's very, very difficult. 14, 15, 16, 18, 19, and 20.
I did it under.
Okay, so you need to stop the watch, but you didn't.
Oh no!
Where is the India flag? I'm not able to see it.
India flag is right here.
Okay, show it. No, it should be the other way around, yeah. Okay, that's fine. We can check the video whether you actually did it in 20 seconds or not. Almost within 20 seconds. You will get an ice cream.
Okay.
Reset it and start it. Okay. 2, 3, 4. What? Is it done?
Yes.
Oh my god. I give you 50 seconds. Let's see how quickly you do it. Okay? Let's start it.
What if I do it under 30?
Under 30, then I will give you 2 ice creams.
Okay. And 3, 2, 1.
Good luck, Pranav. Good luck. Seconds. Oh my god, you did it in 13, 14, 15, almost 15 seconds.
15.67 seconds.
Okay, that's very, very quick, Pranav. Okay, let's make it a bit difficult.
England. Okay.
Start.
And
Yep.
3, 2, 1, go.
Go. England. I love London. London is a beautiful city. Do you want to go to London? You lived there for some time, right?
Yes. That is
That is true. Are you sure?
Yes.
Awesome, man.
3, 2, 1, go.
Come on, Pranav. Scotland is a bit difficult, right? A bit difficult.
It is, but not that difficult.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Okay, let us see how much time you take. What? Is it done?
Yes.
Oh
You cannot see
my
it.
god. Can you do it within 15 seconds?
15.
That will be difficult, right?
I accept it.
Okay, 15 seconds. Let's do it.
3, 2, 1, go.
Come on, Pranav. I know you can do it. 4 seconds are gone. And 11, 12, 13. Come on, come on, come on. Is it done?
Yes.
Where is it? You did it in 15 within 15 seconds. Okay, means I can consider that you stopped the stopwatch a little late.
A little, but it's within 15 seconds.
It's within 15 seconds. Okay. It's just like
Japan.
Japan. Okay.
3, 2, 1, go.
What?
Within 20 seconds? Set and go.
Go. Please, come on. Is it done?
Within 20 seconds, I did it.
Oh my god, that's awesome, Pranav. I'm so proud of
I
you.
did it the other way around.
You did the other way around means?
I was supposed to put the reds here.
Yeah, okay. You can fix that, right?
Yeah, that's not too hard. I took my time this time because I knew that the stopwatch wasn't on.
Yeah, that's fine.